What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys my typical and delicious plant-based meal prep for the week. Stay tuned. Alright, so first I just set everything out because I hate looking for stuff when I have to cook, and I just want it all sitting there ready for me, the seasonings and everything. Alright, so I already have the broccoli and the kale on the stove starting to simmer a little bit, so I'm going to just let them sit and then add the rest of the seasoning to the broccoli. And then we're going to hop right into just cutting up these yams. Now, I actually had no idea that I liked these. I assumed that I didn't. And then after I had them this time, they were so delicious. Now they're going to be in all of my meal preps. So then I'm going to go ahead and just start to season. So here you see that I have the seasoned salt. And then I have some garlic powder that's not trying to focus. No? Okay, forget it. So how about the onion powder? Can we get the onion powder to focus? Come on, Amy, you got this. You can do it. No? Oh, and then I adjust the camera as if I know what I'm doing. And then I try the infamous hand thingy. Let's see if it works. Yep, we got it. Okay, onion powder. And then we're gonna go ahead and do some garlic and herb to the yams. We got it to focus. So we're just gonna season that bad boy up really, really good with everything. And then we're gonna drizzle on some olive oil on top of it as well, because it just helps it to cook better, and it tastes really, really good with the olive oil. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and just give it a really good mix up to make sure that we get the oil and seasoning over everything. And then after this, we're going to actually transfer it to this pan. I have a little bit of oil on there, so I'm just going to spread it all the way around and just make sure that, we coat the entire pan with the oil. And then go ahead and transfer the yams to the flat pan. So here on the flat pan, I'm just making sure that I lay them all flat and give them plenty of space to cook. They are so pretty. All right, so now that the broccoli and the kale is starting to boil a little bit, I'm going to turn on the oven if I can remember how to actually do it. Yeah, set the oven to 400 degrees for the potatoes. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started on cutting up my red potatoes. These are really important because it makes me not miss any meat or anything like that. So I'm going to cut these bad boys up really small. Yep, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut up my peppers because I'm going to be adding them to the potatoes as well. Now, I did do Brussels sprouts and green beans as well. Here, I'm just checking on the sweet potatoes. And then, look at this beautiful kale. It's all done. Here's a snippet of these green beans. They really gave me a hard time. And then I'm just going to go ahead and plate up my meal prep containers. Now, I'm just putting in the Brussels sprouts. Making sure it's all even for the week. Look at that kale. It is so good. Put in some rice. I actually really love white rice. And I have some basil and sea salt on there. And just continue to plate up my bowl. And there we have it. My entire meal prep for the week is done. Some of these have different things in them, but they're all really delicious. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.